Hi everyone, welcome to Navani's Spice Magic. Today I will prepare a different variety of biryani. You all must have heard of a starter veg kofta and veg kofta gravy. But these koftas, when fabricated into flavorful form of biryani, it just illuminates your senses. Yes, this is vegetarian kofta biryani. These koftas can be used as starter and biryani the same time and give a unique and different flavor to both the dishes. Let's check the process. First, let's prepare koftas because this is kofta biryani. So, I have boiled potato, carrot, beans and green peas, mashed it up and kept ready. Garam masala powder, little chaat masala, salt to taste, chili powder as per your spice, breadcrumbs. I'm adding chili powder, salt, chaat masala, garam masala powder. First we'll mix this properly. We'll add breadcrumbs to get that crispy texture. Let's start preparing the koftas. These are ready. We will shallow fry these. I'm not deep frying them. If you want, you can, but I'm doing it at shallow fry. We will heat a pan, add little oil. We are shallow frying it, so we'll place all these into this and shallow fry them till they become golden brown, turning all the sides around. These are done. We can remove them into a plate. Second process is preparation of rice for our biryani. For that we need basmati rice. I have taken basmati rice around 2 cups. One big size of onion, I have sliced it into thin slices. Salt to taste. Cumin seeds. 2 green chilies slit and 1 biryani leaf. Other masalas we are going to add in the gravy, so we'll add only these for the rice. We will heat a vessel in which we are going to cook rice. I'm adding butter into this. We'll add cumin seeds. Add 1 biryani leaf. Green chilies. Fry this a little bit. We will add onions. Fry these onions till little light golden brown. The onions have fried, so now we'll add water into this. So for 1:1.5, like I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, so I have taken 1.5 cup of water. Now I'll add salt to this. I'll allow this to boil. Meanwhile, we'll see the next preparation for our gravy, what we are going to mix in this. For biryani masala, we are going to prepare fresh masala. For that, we need Marathi mogge. I have taken 1 piece. Cinnamon stick, a small bit. Peppercorns. Cloves, I have taken 3. Cardamom, I have taken 2 pods. Half a spoon of cumin seeds. 1 spoon of coriander seeds. These are poppy seeds. Around 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. We need fresh coconut. I have taken a little bit, fistful. Ginger and garlic, fresh ginger and garlic. Salt to taste. Chili powder. Half onion, I'll be grinding it. So these are the items, I'll be grinding it in the grinder. This becomes the biryani masala. First we shall grind this into powder. This is done. We'll add garlic and ginger, fresh coconut, onion, chili powder, salt. Now we'll grind this into paste. This is done. We'll keep this aside. This started to boil. We'll add rice into this. Just we'll mix it once. Cover this and cook until the rice gets cooked. This is the final process for biryani. We have grinded this into paste, the biryani masala. We need onions, coriander finely chopped. I have mixed turmeric in milk so that it gives that nice color. I don't have saffron with me, so I'm using this as a substitute for saffron. Mint leaves chopped. Around 2 teaspoons of curd. We'll heat a pan, add butter. We will add onions to this. We will fry these onions till they become little golden brown. Onions are fried. Now we'll add this gravy to this, the biryani masala gravy, whatever we prepared, because we have used all raw ingredients, so we'll just fry them a little bit. To this we will add little coriander, mint leaves, mix it well. We'll add curd to this, mix it properly. This is done. Now we'll see the next process. Our rice is almost ready. It has been done 95%. Now what we will do is we'll just add this turmeric milk into this. We'll add this gravy into this. These koftas which we made ready, we will just arrange these on this. We'll add little coriander. Little mint leaves. We will cover this and on sim we'll allow it to cook for around 10 minutes. We'll completely simmer the stove, cover it and allow it for 10 minutes to cook on slow flame. Here is our super yummylicious veggie kofta biryani ready to be dunked into. Biryanis are always lovers' paradise. Anyone just falls in love with it. Let it be vegetarian or non-vegetarian. One of the universal favorite of all is biryani. In vegetarian, this is one of the option with a twist to our normal vegetable biryani. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.